Good morning, everybody. It's Paul from Prestige Binary Options, and welcome to another live TNT Trading Software update where we're going to be doing some live trades for you following the automated signals provided by this software. It is currently just about 11 GMT, so in my time zone, it's just about 7 o'clock in the morning. This is a software that we've been using for just about a week now, and basically what we're going to do is just do another live trading session and see how consistent the TNT trading results are in terms of its signals and its accuracy. So before we dive in and get started with our trades, don't forget to give our videos a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel so that way you can get notifications on all of our future updates, and be sure to check out all the information below in the video description, and that way you can click the links, learn everything that TNT Trading Software has to offer for newcoming traders, as well as links to any of our previous videos and live trading updates you might have missed. So let's go in, guys, and I'm not going to waste a whole lot of time explaining everything and repeating myself about how the software works, but I will verbally explain the walkthrough process as we go through each trade, and you'll also be able to see it in live action how I place these trades that are provided for us automatically through the TNT Trading Software app. But one thing that I still want to emphasize, folks, is that this is a semi-auto trading program, meaning it automatically analyzes the markets, it produces all the signals and trades that are available for us at the current moment, depending on current market conditions. And one more important detail that I want to remind you guys is to pay attention to the time and date. The trade before times are given to you by your current location, no matter where you are in the world. So in this case, we still have a few hours until a lot of these trades are not available for us, but also pay attention to the dates. Today is the 20th, so we want to be focusing on trades that will expire today. Trades that are scheduled to expire on the 21st or the 23rd, those are long-term trades which won't expire for a few days. So let's focus on trades that will expire today. So for the first trade we're going to take, folks, is the USD JPY for a put. So all we do is click the trade button. And as you see, we are automatically redirected to our broker to confirm the trade. It automatically chooses the most suitable expiration available for us for that trade. Again, this is also determined during current market conditions. So this seems that this will be a 15-minute trade. So we just confirm for a put trade and apply the trade. And as I stated before in my previous videos, one of the things that I love about this whole being redirected between your software and your broker is that it allows a little more hands-on and more control for the trader. So that way, if you choose, you can adjust the expiration times if you want, but you don't have to. But this is also where you can adjust the dollar amount to $25, $50, $100 trades, whichever you're more comfortable with, depending on your current balance. So let's take a look. So let's take a look at the next trade and follow the same steps. And the next trade that we can take is the USD CAD. Again, the reason why we're skipping the AUD USD is because that is scheduled for the 21st, which is tomorrow. We don't want that long-term trade. We want trades that will expire today. So USD CAD for a put position. So let's click the trade button. Okay, now in this case, the USD CAD will be expiring at 11:30 GMT, so this will be about a 30-minute trade. And TNT Trading Software is suggesting that we place a put trade, so let's confirm that put position and we apply it and approve. Perfect. All right, let's see what else we have. Now, just to avoid some confusion, guys, let me just explain this over here. This is the USD CAD position that we had just taken, but there's also one for a call position. So some traders have asked, what if they give us two signals for the same asset going in different directions? Again, this is where paying attention to the time is most critical. This USD call position for the USD CAD was available to trade before 7:06. It is currently just after 7:06, so this trade is no longer invalid. So that's why we went with the USD CAD position for a put trade, which is eligible for another hour and a half. So let's move on to the next trade, folks. Let's take a look at the Euro JPY for a put trade, because we don't want the Euro JPY for a call because that's for tomorrow's trade. Oh, and I think that trade just disappeared, so that trade is no longer available for us, but that's okay. We still have a few other trades that we can take. We have another trade available for us, which is the Euro USD for a call, so let's click that trade button. So this is for a call trade. This will be expiring at 11:15 GMT, so let's confirm it and apply. Perfect. All right, let's see if we have a few more. Keep in mind, guys, that it is still early in the morning. US markets are not even active at the moment, which is why we don't have that many trades available for us. So that's something to take under consideration, that the time of day or night that you are trading will determine the amount of trading signals that are available for you. Let's do the USD for a put. All right, so this trade will be expiring at 11:30 GMT, so let's confirm that trade. Approve it. And we have one more trade available for us. Let's do the GBP CHF. This will be for a call position. All right, so this trade will expire at 11:30 GMT. Approve it. All right, so that was our fifth and final trade. So let's actually end it at that. We don't want to risk too many trades at this very moment, so let's wait a few moments. A lot of those trades will expire within the next 15 to 20 minutes, so let's give it some time for all those trades to close, and then we'll come back within TNT Trading Software and our connected broker, and we'll take a closer look at the details. Again, this is to see if TNT Trading Software stays consistent in terms of its reliability and accuracy. So stay tuned, folks, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, we are back. The time is up, so let's go back into TNT Trading Software. Let's take a look at the results. We didn't have to wait long at all for those trades to close. They all had expiration times ranging between 15 to 30 minutes, which is great. I prefer trades within that time frame rather than waiting a couple of hours to see if you made any money or not. And as you also see, it's very simple to use the software just by clicking the trade button. So this program is very simple and user-friendly, especially for beginners. We do have a nice increase in our account balance and our profit, meaning we had a profitable trading session. But let's look into our broker here for the confirmed results. I always like checking in with my connected brokers just to make sure that everything that happens within our application is also registered properly within our brokers. And as you can see, we have our total of 5 trades registered. The one loss we had was the USD CAD, but that's okay. We still have 4 winning profitable trades. So this is a great trading session using TNT Trading Software signals. I did notice, for instance, the Euro USD and the USD JPY, those were some very close trades. USD JPY entering at 5.11 and closing at 5.07 for a put. So that was only by a few pips there. The USDCHF entering for a put trade at 363 and closing at 360. So that was only by 3 pips that we won that trade, but still, a winning trade is a winning trade, and I'll take it. So once again, TNT Trading Software performing very well. Very impressed with its results, with its accuracy, but also its user friendliness for beginner traders who don't know how to trade on their own. So we have a great boost in our profits, and we are now at $151.75. So I will be back later today or later this evening for another trading session. But if you're interested, guys, check out all the information below. You can click the link and get your own free copy of TNT Trading Software and start profiting with them today. If you have any questions, feel free to email me directly at prestigebinary@gmail.com. And be sure to like our videos, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that we can get notifications on all of our live trading updates and scam warnings regarding programs that you should avoid. So thank you for watching, guys. I'll be back later on this evening. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.